Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now this is only the possible ways that I know, and it depends on your locations as well. So just follow these steps and hope for the best. You might get the voice chat feature. So here am I, in my alt account. I just put a random age in there, and as you can see here, it says verify my age, and this account doesn't have a voice chat on it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and change some settings. So first, go to account info, and if you don't have an email address yet, go ahead and link one. Then go to security tab. In here you can turn on these authenticator options. Now if you don't have authenticator apps, you can just enable the email security. Now what we're doing here is increasing the security of our account in order to get a chance to access the voice chat feature. The next thing is, go to privacy settings and change everything to everyone, like this. And in parental control, go ahead and change this to all. Now you can only enable this if you link your email address and verify it. So after that, create a PIN and you should be good to go. After all this is done, just wait a couple days and hope for the best. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.